This is a little Japan toy, a little wind-up dog. This dog rocks back and forth. You have to wind it up quite a bit to get it going. But once it's going, it goes for quite a while, as you can see, and then it starts to poop out. You have to admit, that's cute. For any of you wind-up Japan toy freaks, it's a perfect addition to your collection. And then, of course, if you pick it up, you get an alarm clock. Look at that little flapper go. When it's down this far, it won't rock. Well, I take it back, it rocks a little bit. It'll still go a little while. I always go ahead and run it out, just to make sure that it doesn't have any tension on it, because it seems to be quite old, and I don't want to wreck it before you guys can get your hands on it for your awesome collection. Enjoy. Happy bidding. Thanks for looking.